just checking for the Singapore TV, which Shinichi was doing about a month ago, maybe?
Yes, when you helped me pick up food for the wet market.
Yeah, well, do you remember what I got? Do you?
I do. You got a lot of stuff. You got like beans, you got shrimp, you got fish eggs, mentaiko?
No, tarako.
Tarako.
Yeah,
fish roll.
the reason why that I got the tarako is because I wanted to make it spaghetti with
that's
tarako.
right. That's right.
And a little, what it's called? It's called, I don't remember, the little shrimps.
The shrimp,
The dried
yes,
shrimps.
the dried shrimp.
So, this time, I wanted to kind of share with you guys how to make the tarako spaghetti.
Oh yeah, Tarako Spaghetti, one of my favorite recipes. It's one of my favorite pastas.
Really?
Really gonna show us how.
Yes!
Oh my god, looking forward to it.
So let's get started! So this is what I got from Ameyoko when I was with Shinichi. It actually has 8 of them. Obviously, you cannot use them all at once. I'm just gonna wrap each of them up and keep them in the freezer. So you can keep them quite a long time, which is worth it too. So here is the recipe. I hope you're gonna enjoy watching it. The ingredients are sake, light soy sauce, garlic. This is powdered kelp. You can also use consomme bouillon. That's gonna make it tasty. Of course, tarako, which is cod roe. And I'm gonna use a spring onion to sprinkle on top. Oh, and of course, pasta. For preparation, I'm just gonna cut the skin of cod roe. And put it into the sake. And soak it until you're gonna use this. I'm just gonna try to use this as well. So see how the taste goes with this dried shrimp. So Shinichi asked me to use butter for this Tarako spaghetti. But I'm not using butter because it's too rich for me. I'd rather have it simple. So the cod roe I got in Ameyoko. The guy from the shop gave me a great offer of 50% off. So it cost originally 2,000 yen, but I got it with 1,000 yen. It was just a great deal. I'm just so glad that I got this. So making spaghetti is all about the speed, so it won't take that long. You can't miss it out. This is very simple. I don't know how I got this recipe. I guess I just originally created it for myself. You're just gonna add the condiments, one to another. By the way, I like this taste, just garlic, salt and pepper. It's just like an aglio olio. And of course this time I added this dried shrimp. So this is gonna make it much more tasty. So based on that taste, just add cod roe. That's the kind of idea of it. The point is, because you soak the tarako into the sake, and then you add it to the spaghetti, as you really cook this tarako mix, the texture of spaghetti is going to be really chewy. I just like that. So you can guess how the texture is going to be like. Chewy and tasty. This is what I like about this Tarako spaghetti. Then, finally, add some aromatic of Japanese taste. Soy sauce. You just roughly cook it. That's it. See, it was really simple. I love this texture of tarako when you eat it. I just like this recipe. Some people actually imagine it like a creamy.
Yes, that's how I usually have it. Buttery.
Right.
Yeah.
But mine's not. It looks kind of dry, but it's not.
Okay.
It's more really tastes like Japanese taste.
I see.
With soy sauce.
And made your soy sauce too.
Yes, of course.
Okay, because the Tarako spaghetti I had is just made with butter. There was no soy sauce, so I can imagine tasting it quite different.
Right. This is going to be totally different. So.
Okay. Well, you know what? Next time you could make it for us. We can try it on camera, or you can teach us how to make it.
Yeah.
We can make it on camera. I don't know. I would love to try it our way.
Yeah. So we can share sometimes.
Yeah.
But this time I just wanted to show how to cook it. So.
Right. And of course, you wanted to show me what you did with the ingredients that we bought at check-in.
That's right. Yes.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Aisa. Oh my God, I can't wait to try it out.
Right. So next time I'll try to make it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. See you.
Bye.